We want to turn our attention to what's going on in Washington, D.C., not necessarily with infrastructure yet, but regarding COVID. And Jessica Smith, our correspondent in D.C., has the latest for us. Jessica?
Yeah, Adam, this afternoon, President Biden said that 90% of U.S. adults will be eligible for a vaccine by April 19th. He also said that 90% will have a vaccination site within 5 miles of their home. You may remember he had previously called on states to make all adults available by May 1st, but now he says 90% will be eligible in just 3 weeks. He also announced several steps that the administration is taking to speed up the vaccination process. He says that they are going to put more vaccines in more pharmacies. They're starting a new effort to help get the most vulnerable, high-risk people scheduled for a vaccine appointment and then actually transported to that appointment. And then finally, they are expanding the mass vaccination sites. The president did say that the U.S. has come a long way, but there's still a long way to go. Let's watch.
The progress we're making is a significant testament to what we can do when we work together as Americans. But as I've always said, we still need everyone to do their part. We still are in a war with this deadly virus, and we're bolstering our defenses, but this war is far from won.
Biden also said that states that have ended their mask mandates should rethink that decision and reimpose the mandates. A reporter also asked him as he was walking off the stage if states should pause their reopenings, and he simply said yes. Adam and Shauna.
Hey, just real quick, what about the infrastructure plan that we're expected to get here on Wednesday? We just asked one of our market panelists about what he's expecting on the economic front in terms of how much it could help the recovery. But what are you hearing down in D.C. and what we're likely going to hear from the president?
Well, the White House says that this is going to be the first piece of the long-term economic recovery plan. This piece is going to be focused on infrastructure. And then later in April, there is going to be another plan announced that will focus on things like healthcare, childcare, education, those types of things that are aimed at creating more jobs and ending income inequality, getting women back in the workforce. But first, they're going to tackle infrastructure. The White House says that the president has a plan to pay for this. The White House has not given those details yet, but we're expecting to learn more about that on Wednesday, and then we'll see what Republicans have to say about it. The president is going to meet with a bipartisan group of lawmakers to talk about infrastructure the day after he announces his plan, so that's on Thursday of this week.